start the mock with you today. So all others, those who have their interview scheduled tomorrow for Bank of India, can participate in this mock. We'll have a quick session. I hope you are all prepared. My best wishes for you for upcoming interview. So, what do you mean by credit management, Jacob?
So credit management is the full-fledged analysis of the past record
Mm-hmm.
and the past record and future perspectives
Of
of a business.
So only business will take loans from you, from bank. Okay. So what you understand by priority sector lending?
The priority sector lending is a role provided by Reserve Bank of India to the banks to provide a specific amount, a specific portion of their lending to a specified sector.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me the categories of priority sector?
So there are 9 categories:
What are they?
agriculture, export, renewable energy, housing, infrastructure, startups, education, and others.
Okay. So what will happen if banks will not achieve their priority sector targets?
So if bank give the priority targets, the allotted portion or the remaining portion will be transferred to Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, which is a subsidiary of NABARD.
Okay. What is PSLC?
The PSLC is a public sector lending certificate.
Priority sector lending certificate. Okay. So what is that?
So it is a certificate given to the bank for their completion of targets.
So can you tell me something about ANBC? What you understand by ANBC?
So ANBC is adjusted net bank credit. It is the net bank credit of a bank after taking into account bills discounting, non-SLR, non-SLR, non-SLR.
Okay, no issue, no issue. Can you tell me something about balance sheet items? What are there in a balance sheet?
So mainly there are 3 heads in balance sheet: the equity, the asset, and the liabilities. So under asset there are two type of assets under the asset headings. One is the current assets and other is the non-current asset. In the liabilities part there is
So what is current asset?
The current asset, the asset acquired by a company which can be converted into cash within 1 year are known as current assets.
Cash equivalents, you meant to say, right? Cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalents are the current assets. Convertible into cash can be liquidated within a year, right?
So yes, sir, they are for the short term period.
Okay. What is quick asset? Any idea?
So assets which can be converted into cash readily or quickly are known as assets.
Within 90 days.
No, so 1 year.
Quick asset. I'm telling you about quick asset. There is a difference between current asset and quick asset. Current assets can be converted into cash within a year, and quick assets can be converted into cash within 90 days. Okay. Okay, so in a bank's balance sheet, what are the off balance sheet exposures of a bank?
So the
Or in
non,
other words, we call it contingent liabilities.
so the non-fund based loans.
Hmm.
So like
Okay.
letter of
Example.
bank guarantee.
Hmm. Letter of credit, bank guarantee. Okay. Do you have any idea about deferred payment guarantee?
Study that.
In case an institution has taken a deferred payment guarantee, if in case he fails to pay his installments on due date, on behalf of it, the bank will honor the installments. Okay, that is deferred payment guarantee. Some amount of loan are payable at a stage, and some types of loans are payable on installments. So there is also a risk associated with the bank if or with the third party, with the counterparty. In case the loans or the payables are not paid on due date, then this organization is set to lose. So to guarantee that this payment flow will be on time, there is a deferred payment guarantee is issued, right? So my best wishes with you for Bank of India interview. You look bit confident this time. So continue it. You are trying and answering, attempting every question. That's important. It seems that you have prepared something in last few days with our batch. So my good wishes are with you. Go and have a very successful journey. In between, from YouTube, you prepare few of the things. Prepare little. Try to be little fluent on balance sheet items. Okay. So for now, one day there is with you in your hand. So I will just suggest you to go and read some balance sheet items. That is quick. You can revise. Okay. So try to understand the substitutes of a few things. Okay. Assets like if you can tell to the, if they will ask you, because you are in a beginner's level, so the questions will be a bit easier for you. They will be asking you a bit easy questions. So you must take advantage of that. You don't need to go and prepare few big terminologies, few big terms in balance sheet or in credit management. You have to prepare at a beginner's level. It will be helping you. In balance sheet, there is asset liability. What is asset and what is liability? They will be asking you. So in simple words, you can tell them what we want is our assets and what we owe to others is our liability. Okay, what is with us is our assets and what we are going to repay is our liability, right? So similarly, you have to just go and get the simplified contents, read simplified contents. The PDF is there with you, this credit management handbook. You just utilize that one. I have also shared with you in WhatsApp, and it is there in the app as well. So just quickly revise on a go and you will be there. Okay, my best wishes with you. From the first day when you attended my mock to this day, this is your third mock with me, and to this day you look there is a hell and heaven difference with your level of confidence, with the way you are answering. So if such a pace continues, I will not wonder if you get selected. Okay, so best wishes for you in Bank of India. You need to answer a little more. You need to answer a little more confidently. Okay. Okay, so you are halfway done. There is a 33% chance of everyone being selected. So nothing to worry. If in case you miss one or two terms, it will be not a big deal. Prepare for it. Okay, my best wishes with you, and prepare for it. Okay, so this is your first credit manager's interview. You are going to appear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. And you are this much of confident, and you are a fresher, so you are going on right track. Okay, and in very little day you have revised so much of materials. So hats up to you. I want you to be a little more fluent. just prepare on the study material part, whatever they are on PDF. Read them on Go, and chances are uh, always 33% associated with every single candidate. So you can put your best. Okay,
Yes.
this much confidence I wanted to see. So no issue. Thank you for being
So I have
attending this. Yeah, go ahead with the doubts. Yeah,
so if they ask a question, why do you want to join the banking sector? So, so I have a prepared answer. Uh,
tell me.
as a bank plays an important role in the growth of the economy,
Hmm.
and I want to be a part of that growth.
Hmm.
The
Yes.
knowledge in banking is not limited
You
as
see, you will not have that much of time to answer such a long answer, to give us such a long answer. So you just need to tell them banking is a growing sector. It's a backbone of our India's economy. So it's a, it is a challenging sector to work in. Okay. So definitely I want to be part of it. Okay. The very first time I was being asked this question. Okay, why banking? Why you choose banking as your career? My answer was a bit different. That is not going to help everybody at every point of time. Why you choose banking as a career? I said I belong to a middle class, and we in middle class we don't have privilege to choose anything. Whatever is in front of me, we have to embrace it. So that's why banking. If it would have been some other jobs interview, I would have qualified or written for any other job. I would have appeared in this one. So we from middle class background, we people don't have choice. That was my answer, but no issue. You don't need to be every time need to be a revolutionary to get a job. Okay, so continue with it. It's okay. Okay, don't prepare lengthy answers at this point of time. So they may not ask you because these are silly questions nowadays, because everybody appears for every exam. Okay, so you have already selected in written one, so they may not ask you nowadays. They ask a little about why banking. In initial days they were asking these type of questions, but now everybody appears for bank exams, so they will not asking you this one. Okay, prepare a bit about yourself, about your aspirations. Okay, so they may
so
ask you. Yeah, go ahead.
I don't need to tell all the from matriculation to
No, no,
intermediate.
no, no. You go with the highest qualification. If they will ask you about your family background, etc., go ahead. Yeah, have you done any certification?
No, sir.
No. Okay, no issue. If you have done some certification, you can mention it. Otherwise, no need. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm a fresher. I'm looking at career opportunity in the revered Bank of India. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any questions you can ping me. I am there to help you. Don't feel yourself alone. I am with all my students. So anytime, any queries, any doubt, you are ping me or directly you can make a call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These times are crucial, but have faith. There is always a chance. There is always a better side. So we'll keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Abhishek, do you want to join?
Hello, sir. No, sir,
Yeah.
I'm in bus. I'm going for interview. That's why.
Okay. Many congratulations to you. Many good wishes to you, because your interview is just tomorrow is your interview, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. I was just having a little mock, not a mock, just a conversation with Jacob, so that
Okay.
you people get motivated for your next assignment. I
Okay.
hope all of you get selected. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Have you completed all the PDFs? Have you checked them?
I have gone through. Once I have gone through it.
Okay.
Mm.
So good luck. In between, on a go, you go. Where are you going to appear the interview?
Dhanbad.
Dhanbad. Okay. No issue. It will be in VC mode. They might ask you questions in English. Okay. As
Okay,
long as they continue asking you English, don't start speaking in Hindi. ठीक है.
okay.
अगर हिंदी में पूछा जाएगा तो हिंदी में बात करना है. जब तक हिंदी वो अपने
ठीक है,
साइड से ना पूछे तब तक बोलना नहीं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चंस इजी आएंगे, इजी लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
टफ नहीं आएगा. नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रिपेयर करना है अभी. ठीक है. बाकी जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने दिया है एक बार चेक कर लो.
ठीक है सर, देख लेते हैं.
सेट दिया है उसको एक बार चेक कर लो. उसके रिलेटेड जो है होटल में रहोगे तो तभी रात में थोड़ा सा चेक कर लेना. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
बाकी तो वेब सीरीज पढ़ा है, आके देख लेना जमकर. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर, बिल्कुल.
तो चलिए, बेस्ट विशेस.
थैंक यू सर.
बहुत सारे बंदे अपने मतलब इंटरव्यू प्लेस के लिए रवाना हो चुके हैं. मेनी ऑफ यू हैव लेफ्ट देयर स्टेशन. So don't worry.
Okay.
All will be well. Okay. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you sir.
Yeah.